Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. The first sentence is you had crossed the limit. You had crossed the limit. तुमने हद पार कर दी. Second, I had vacated the house. I had vacated the house. मैंने घर खाली कर दिया. 3. You disturb him too much. You disturb him too much. तुम उसे बहुत ज़्यादा तंग करते हो. 4. He must be out there. He must be out there. वो कहीं बाहर होगा. 5. He used to shoot arrows in the dark. He used to shoot arrows in the dark. वो तुक्के मारा करता था. 6. You are born liar. You are born liar. तुम पैदाइशी झूठे हो. 7. You leave my lapel. You leave my lapel. मेरा गिरेबान छोड़ो तुम. 8. He is so mean. He is so mean. वो बहुत कमीना है. 9. Oh you damn lady, shut up. Oh shut up damn lady. Oh you damn lady, shut up. ओ लानती औरत, तुम तो अपना मुंह बंद ही रखो. The last one is 10. Now he forgot his status. Now he forgot his status. अब वो अपनी औकात भूल गया. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.